Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome to this quick guide on how to stop GoDaddy auto-renewal in 2025. If you're like me, you hate surprise charges on your credit card, so let's dive right in and take control of your subscriptions. First things first, why do this? Auto-renewal is convenient, but it can lead to unnecessary expenses if you forget about it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn it off step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the GoDaddy website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, enter your username and password to sign in. Once you're in, navigate to your account dashboard. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, look for the Products or My Products section. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains, hosting plans, or other services. Find the specific item you want to manage. Let's say it's a domain name. Click on it to open the details page. Now, scroll down until you see the auto renewal settings. It might be labeled as Auto Renew or Renewal Preferences. Simply toggle the switch to turn it off. GoDaddy might ask for confirmation, so read any pop-up messages carefully to understand what you're changing. After that, double-check your changes by going back to the products list or your account summary. It's always a good idea to note the expiration date of your service so you can renew manually if needed. One quick tip. Do this well before your renewal date to avoid any last-minute issues. Also, if you have multiple items, repeat the process for each one. And there you have it. That's how you stop GoDaddy auto-renewal in 2025. You've just saved yourself some hassle and potential costs. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.